Very good morning to you all, my dear children. Hope all are fine. Welcome back to 8th Standard English online class. I'm Shanas, your English teacher. Children, have you remembered the word global circumnavigation we discussed in the last class? What was the word? Global circumnavigation? What's the meaning of global circumnavigation? Sailing the world or sail all the way around the world? Have you remembered that one? Okay, today we are going to learn about a global circumnavigator named Aishwarya Bodhapati. The lesson, the name of the lesson is Around the World in 254 Days. The lesson is extracted from an interview of Aishwarya Bodhapati conducted by Times of India, Hyderabad Times. Before learning an interview, before learning about an interview, you should know the words and interviewer and interviewee. Who is an interviewer? The person who is taking interview, the person who is asking questions, his or she is called interviewer. The person who is giving the answer, the person who is responding the question is called interviewee. Okay? Here, Aishwarya Bodhapati is the interviewee of this interview. And name of the interviewer is Donita Jose. Okay, I told you Aishwarya Bodhapati, she is a global circumnavigator. She finished a voyage in 254 days. There were 6 women only in their team. The name of their expedition, it was Naviga Sagar Parikrama. The name of their expedition, it was Naviga Sagar Parikrama. They took 254 days for their voyage. And they used Indian naval sailing vessel INSV Tarini for their voyage. For their expedition, they used INSV Tarini. So it's about the introduction. And now let's see what comes in the interview. Children, please take your textbook. Okay, before moving to the lesson, you should know some more new words. Okay, let's see what are the new words. First word, expedition. What's mean by expedition? Expedition is a journey conducted by a group of people for the purpose of exploration. It's a journey undertaken by a group of people for the purpose of exploration. Okay. And the next word, it is mooted. Mooted means suggested. Suggested. And built from scratch. What's mean by built from scratch? Begin or built from the beginning. Okay. Built from the start, built from the beginning. That is built from scratch. And legacy. What's mean by legacy? A legacy is a proud situation. What's the next word? Volunteer. Who is a volunteer actually? A person who is ready to shoulder the responsibility of something without the force of anyone, without having any force, external force. A person is getting ready to do something. Such people are called volunteers. Volunteers are always taking the responsibilities themselves. They are volunteers. And what is the next one? Prestigious, very important. Prestigious means very important. Okay. Then petrified. Petrified means frightened. Frightened. The last word, it is rigorous. Rigorous means strict. strict. Rigorous means strict, extremely strict. Okay, these are the new words that we need to know before reading the text. Okay, let me move to the lesson. Here is an extract of an interview that Aishwarya Bodapati had with Donita Jose of the Hyderabad Times of India on 31st May 2018. Okay, the interviewer, who's the interviewer? Donita Jose. She is asking some questions here to the interviewee. Who is the interviewee? Aishwarya Bodapati, Lieutenant Colonel, you see, Lieutenant Commander Aishwarya Bodapati. Okay. Crossing 3 oceans in 8 months on a boat. How did the idea for this kind of voyage come about? She asked about her journey, her voyage. How did they get such an idea of voyage, of expedition? Crossing 3 oceans in 8 months. They crossed 3 oceans in 8 months. How did the idea for this kind of voyage come about? Okay, let's see the answer. The idea of an expedition of this kind was first mooted by retired Vice Admiral Manohar P. Awadhi. He believed that Indians too should circumnavigate the earth, but in an Indian-made boat. In 2006, the idea was officially accepted. You see, who suggested the idea? Who mooted the idea? That the idea of expedition of this kind was first mooted by retired Vice Admiral Manohar P. Awadhi. Okay, he suggested this idea. He believed that Indians too should circumnavigate the earth, but in the Indian-made boat. And it was his wish. Indians too should circumnavigate all around the world in their own boat, Indian-made boat. That was his wish. In 2006, the idea was officially accepted. A boat suitable for such a journey was built from scratch, and thus INSV Meithai was born. And according to his idea, a boat was ready for the voyage. What's the name of that boat? INSV Meithai. And that boat made here in India itself. From the beginning onwards, the work of that boat started here itself in our India, and it's a completely Indian-made boat. Okay. Since then, 2 officers of the Indian Navy have circumnavigated the globe. Okay. Since then, 2 circumnavigators, 2 officers, they started their voyage in the boat. 2 officers, Indian Navy, officers from Indian Navy, they have circumnavigated the globe. The first was Captain Dilip Donde, who was the first one. That is Dilip Donde. He was a Shaurya Chakra awardee. Dilip Donde was a Shaurya Chakra awardee, who was the first Indian to complete the voyage in 2010. So, Dilip Donde was the first Indian to complete the voyage in 2010. But he did so with stops during his voyage. But when he did his voyage, he made some stops. Okay? A few years later, the Navy decided we should up our game. And Commander Abhilash Tomy did a non-stop circumnavigation. Again, the Navy asked, they recommended another voyage. And that time, Commander Abhilash Tomy, he decided to circumnavigate. He started a circumnavigation. And he did not stop anywhere. It was a non-stop circumnavigation. So the commander Abhilash Tomy, he finished and non-stop circumnavigation over a period of 156 days. He completed his voyage in 156 days, and it was a non-stop voyage. Then, to set another record, the Navy decided to call for an all-women team to carry forward the legacy. And after some time, the Navy decided to call all the women officers. They decided to make a women team for circumnavigation and to make a legacy. At the rest, as they say in history. Okay, that's about the first paragraph. Let me move to the second paragraph. How did you get into this team? Again, the interviewer asked. Another question. How did you get into this team? Aishwarya Badapati was asked another question. What was that? How did you get into this team? I joined the Navy in 2011 and was always keen on taking part in water sports and rigorous training. 3 years later, in 2014, when they called for volunteers for this voyage, I thought, why not give it a try? You see, the interviewer asked, how did she get into this team? She answered, I joined the Navy in 2011. Aishwarya Badapati, she joined in the Navy 2011 and was always keen on taking part of water sports. And she was very much interested in water sports and also rigorous training. Rigorous, I told the meaning. What's mean by rigorous? Very strict. She is very much interested in the strict, severe training. And 3 years later, in 2014, when they called for volunteers for this voyage, and the Navy again called for volunteers. Who is a volunteer? The people who are ready to do the response. They are ready to shoulder the responsibility themselves. Okay, they called for volunteers for the voyage. I thought, why not give it a try? She also decided to give a try. Of the 500 women officers in the Navy, 30 of us volunteered. Among the 500 officers, lady staffs from the Navy, only 30 were volunteered. Okay? I was posted in Port Blair when the call for the selection came. When the call for selection came, she was posted in Port Blair. After a week-long selection procedure, you know that the selection procedure was somewhat complex. And after a week-long selection procedure, I was among 6 selected for this prestigious project. And Aishwarya Badapati also became a part of this prestigious project. She also selected for this prestigious project after a long 1 week heavy selection. Okay, selection procedure. But to be honest, I had no clue about the ocean sailing. But she says, to be honest, what is that? She says that she hadn't any idea about ocean sailing. Even though she was interested in water sports and rigorous training, she was interested in such things, but she hadn't any idea about this ocean sailing. In fact, in my initial days, I was petrified. So, in the starting days, she was petrified. What's the meaning of petrified? Frightened. She was frightened of even swimming in the sea. She was frightened even swimming in the sea. That's in the second paragraph. Children, you must read the textbook very well and two paragraphs very carefully, and you need to find out the answer for the question what I am going to ask now. Okay, now I am going to give you some questions related to this lesson. You should write it in the notebook. Okay, before that you should read the textbook very well. Okay, let me tell the first question. Who had mooted the idea of expedition? Who had mooted? Who had mooted the idea of expedition? When did the idea officially accept? The second question, when did the idea officially accept? Third question, what was the name of their first boat? And the fourth question, who was the first Indian to complete the voyage in 2010? Who was the first Indian to complete the voyage in 2010? Who did a non-stop circumnavigation? Who did a non-stop circumnavigation, and how many days he took for that, for his voyage? And the sixth question, what did Navy decided to set another record? Okay, what did the Navy decide to set another record? Okay, these questions from all these 6 questions from the first paragraph. Okay, now I'm going to ask the question from the next page, next paragraph. How was Aishwarya Badapati? How was Aishwarya Badapati when she joined in the Navy 2011? How was she? Okay. And how many women officers volunteered for the voyage? How many women officers volunteered in the voyage? Where was she posted? Next question, where was she posted? Then the 10th question, how many members were there in that prestigious project? How many members were there in the prestigious project? And the last question, Aishwarya Badapati says, I was petrified. She said there, she was petrified. Why did she say so? Why did she say so? Children, if you didn't get the question very clearly, don't worry about it. At the time of interaction, I will give the question as text. Okay? I'll send you as text. Don't worry about this, and you should read the textbook very well, and you will get the question through the interaction section. You want to answer all the questions in your notebook. Okay, now it is the time for winding up. Thank you. Have a nice day.